Hello, in this video, I'm going to introduce the latest version of Revel for C++. This version integrates CodeGrade in Revel. All the assignments now are graded and using CodeGrade. I'm going to start from the beginning to create a course from the instructor's account. Now I'm going to sign in as an instructor. So I'm going to create course, and here I'm going to search for my name. And so those are my Revel books. I'm going to use C++ for this video. I'm going to create the course, and let's call this is new C++ Revel. And here, and set a start and end date. And so now I'm going to create the course. So this is the new course created. So I'm going to go to open Revel from the instructor's account. And now let's go to the settings here. I'm going to change the scheduling here and immediately upon publish. So this is good assignment is going to be available. I'm going to change the auto graded program projects to endpoints. And now save the settings and go back to dashboard to create. I'm going to create, let's create the assignments from chapter 2 and all the sections, and set a due date is 19. So I'm going to publish. All right, so let's go back to create one more assignment for chapter 5. And here is add. And now let's make it the 20th, the due date. All right, so now publish. So I have 2 chapters assigned. And now let's go back to the courses. I'm going to click this, the P icon. And now back to the courses, new C++ Revel. I'm going to find the invite student. So get this invite link. And now I'm going to open a new browser and to use the student account. So here, I'm going to join the course here. And now, so I'm going to have this. And this one here is the new C++ Revel. So I'm going to open it now. So let's try one quiz here. So I'm going to look at this quiz. So let's do the quiz 2.5 here. So here's quiz 2.5 and has 2 questions. So the first one is write the declaration of 2 int variables, age, the years of birth. So here's int. So this is the age, and this is year of birth. All right, so the next one is the float variable. And this is weight and height. All right, now suppose we make a mistake. This O is uppercase, but now by mistake, it's now lowercase. I'm going to run it and to test it out. So here is running now. All right, so now see the feedback. Font no match in your code, why a match was expected. And here, did you declare 2 int variables? So now, and this is the problem now here on this int variables. So the age is right and year of birth, the O should be uppercase. All right, so now we're going to try it again, run it again. This is now running. Okay, now everything is correct. All right, so we can submit it, but if you submit now, hang in, so you're gonna see this message. There are more questions in this quiz. You only answered one, so now this is just warning you. Are you sure you want to hang in? So this no, and then you continue. All right, you can do it later. So now let's just close it. You can try it later. So now I'm gonna go to the next one here, 2.7. So let's see if we can find some multiple choice questions in the quiz here. And this quiz here, okay, so this has programming quiz. So let's go to the next, it's still programming quiz. This is the multiple choice questions. To declare a constant max length inside a function with value, this 99.98, you write. So here is const double, and this is correct. All right, so I'm going to choose this now. It's the const. Okay, so this double. All right, you cannot test multiple choice questions. Now, the only time you know whether it's correct or wrong is after you hang it. All right, so let's have another one here. So this one, to improve readability and maintainability, you should declare a. So this is should be constant. So let's see. We're going to choose variable. This is incorrect. All right, so now we're going to hang in. We're going to see all this, see the choices we made. All right, so there are two more questions we did not answer, but I'm still going to choose yes. All right, so let's continue. Okay, because we have others, we have two in this quiz. So this one here has to be checked. So this is one, and the next one is two. Okay, both are checked. And now you come to three. So this is correct. So this is correct, but this is incorrect. So now you see a hint. So that's the multiple choice questions. All right, let's now go back to look at a programming project. At the end of every chapter, we have programming project. So let's look at chapter 5 programming project. Here is chapter 5 programming project. So let's go down to look at programming project 1 here. All right, so this is to write a program, count positive and negative numbers and compute the average of numbers right here. So I have the code already. I'm going to copy and paste the code right here. I'm going to make a mistake. It's right here on this, the last part, the average is. So I'm going to run it. And now you're going to see there's a logical error in the code. So here is the problem. And this is the input used in the test. And this is the actual output, which is incorrect. So, and what is wrong? So you can compare it with the expected output. This is the pattern in the output. So this is the irregular expression. So this, you're going to see a lot of this here in this expected pattern. This means any number of characters. So any number of characters, and here now it's 3. So this is any number of characters, but now here it's 3 is correct. And then the next one you look for is 1. 1 is here. And then 5. So 5 is here. And here is 1.25. So there's only one. There's no 0.25. So here, this is the point here is it's a special character in regular expression is a backslash point. So it means just 1 point. So there's no point. All right, so now we know the problem is the last line, the average. So we can look at the average here. So we should have this, make it a floating point value. It's times 1.0. And now I write again. So this is now correct. So let's see. Pass the test, pass all the tests. It's all correct. And now you can hand in and click hand in. So this will, and actually we'll run it again. And so this. All right, so now we have everything's checked and hand in. So now, and you can see that you get all the points. All right, so just in summary here, you can see that with this new Revel C++, we have the CodeGrade integration. And so really there's two big improvements. One is the all these new programming quizzes are closely aligned to the contents in the book. And there's another big improvement is for the programming projects, now you get feedback. In the previous version, you cannot get feedback in case of logical errors. Now, if your code has logical errors, and you can get feedback and use the feedback, and you can debug the code and fix the errors. That is all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.